Hello friends, welcome to data structure. The objective of today's session is today we are going to learn the collision resolution technique. First, we are going to study the need of collision resolution, types of collision resolution, and types of collision resolution. We are going to see open addressing. Again, in open addressing, we are going to see three different types, that linear probing, quadratic probing, and double hashing. Then the second collision resolution technique is chaining. The second collision resolution technique is what? Chaining. And the third collision resolution technique is what? Bucket addressing. So we will see all this one by one. But before that, we are going to see what is the need of collision resolution technique and what is a collision. So hash functions are mainly used for computing addresses, which can sometimes resulting in producing duplicate addresses for different key value. For example, let's take an example of modular division of function, that is h of x is equal to key mod m, key mod m. So where now let's take x is equal to 20 and the size of m is equal to 10. So let's calculate the location for the key value 20. The key value 20 is equal to mod 10. So it will produce 20 mod 10, that is 0. So h of x, or you can say key, is equal to 0. So in the array 0, 1, 2, 3 of size 10, at address location 0, we are going to store an element that is 20. Now suppose for key value is equal to 22 mod 10, 22 mod 10. So key value is what? Key value is equal to 22. So 22 mod 10, it will result index location 2. So at index location 2, we are going to store an element that is 22. Now suppose let's take key value is equal to 30. So h of key is equal to 30 mod 10. So it will result in a index 0. So at address location 0, we want to store an element 30. But here comes problem. The address location 0 is already filled with an element that is 20. So we cannot overwrite that value by 30, since this is again one of the part of hash table. So if we forcefully write this 30 over here, then 20 value will be vanish. So this is what collision resolution technique. In hashing function, sometimes the resulting in producing duplicate address location. So here duplicate address location for element 20 we are generating index location 0, and for element 30, so this hash function generates duplicate address location for different key value. Means at index location 0 we want to store 20, and after that again for key value 30 again it is asking for index location 30. So here collision occurs. So here collision occurs means two or more different value wants to store in a same address location. So this is what collision. So there are various collision resolution techniques that we already discussed, like open addressing. Open addressing further divided into different types like linear probing, quadratic probing, double hashing, chaining, and bucket addressing. So now let's start with open addressing.